Hello friends, welcome to my channel, myself Parag Jambulkar. Up till now, we have seen these topics: users, roles, public groups, queues, profile, page layout. In this video, we will discuss about field level security. Now, what is the meaning of field level security? See, it is a field level security. Field means what? Column. Column in object or table, right? So any restriction that we are putting on fields, so that we can say it is a field level security. And what kind of restriction that we can put on that field? We can make that field visible or not visible for any particular profile. We can make any field read only or editable for any particular profile. So that settings we can put, that restrictions we can put for any field, for any particular profile. Now see here, we have page layout. So similar restrictions we can put on fields by using page layout also. So see what restrictions we can put. We can make any field visible or not visible. We can make any field read only or editable. We can make any field required or not required, right? So these restrictions also we can put on any field by using page layout. So in short, I will tell how we can put the restriction by using page layout, and after that we will see how we can put restriction by using field level security. Now see, so here we'll search objects. Okay, create these objects. We have this teacher object. Okay, we'll click on this. Then we'll search for page layout. So see, here we have page layout. So for teacher object, which layout we have? Teacher layout, right? So we'll edit this. Okay, now see, from here, so here we have option of this, see, minus remove. It is showing remove means delete, not visible. Okay, so that field will be not visible to the user. Then here we have settings. Here it is showing properties, right? If I click on this, so we can make any field, mean this field, right? Teacher ID, because we have click on this. For teacher ID, if I click on these settings, properties, so see, so we can make the teacher ID read only, right? If I select this checkbox, so it will be read only, otherwise it will be editable. Then here, if I select this, so it will be required. Important means that data you have to enter there, it is required field. If I not select this, or if I uncheck it, so it will be not required. Likewise, we can put restrictions on the fields, right? So these settings are these restrictions we are putting by using page layout, right? We are putting it by using page layout. That thing we are doing by using page layout. But suppose we have some issue, or we have some problem where we have same page layout. See, here we are considering two users. One is Parag Jambulkar and another is test one user, right? For Parag Jambulkar, page layout is teacher layout, and for test one user also we have teacher layout for the teacher object, right? Now see, suppose we have some problem statement like this. Say, create a new field experience which is of type number, and it should be available only for system admins and not for other users. What is the meaning of this? In this teacher object, we have to add one field experience which have the data type number, and that should be visible for only system admins, but it should not be visible for the other users. Now see, if we make any changes in page layout, so it is applicable to both the users, right? Teacher layout is for this user also, and teacher layout is for this users also. So for teacher object, if we change teacher layout, so definitely we cannot achieve this thing, right? But still we want to achieve it. So it is possible by using field level security. This can be achieved by using field level security. Now see, so what we'll do, we'll follow this. Now see, what we have to do, we have to create new field experience of type number, okay, for which object? Teacher object, and it should be available for only system admins and not for the other users. Let us see. So what we'll do, I'm clicking on teacher tab. Okay, now see, we have to add one field, right? So from here we can add, okay, view fields, and beside that here is new. We have option new, so I'm clicking there. Okay, and data type that you want is number. Next, then field level. So suppose I am taking experience. Okay, okay, we'll click on next. Now see, here we have field level security. Here you can see. Here we have field level security. And see, here I have told what we can do, what we can achieve by field level security. We can make any field visible or not visible, or we can make any field read only or editable. Right? So see, here we have two options, right? We can make any field visible or not visible, or we can make any field read only or editable, right? By choosing this checkbox or by selecting this checkbox, right? And this checkbox we are selecting for the profiles, right? These are the profiles. Now see, so what is our problem statement? We want to make this field visible for the system admin, but it should not be visible for the other users, right? So see, what we will do, it should be visible for the system administrator only, okay, but it should not be visible for the other profiles. So what we can do, see, now see, it should be visible only for the system admin, right? It should be visible for the system admin, but for other it should not be visible, right? So that's why we have not selected this checkbox, right? So we'll click on next, okay, and save. Okay, so see, that thing we have done. So this is Parag Zambulkar, which is system administrator. Now see, we'll check teachers, and if I click on this new, so here we have option of this experience, right? This is the field which is visible for the system administrator. Okay, along with these fields, we have one more field because just now we have added it, and this field is visible for the system administrator for teachers object, right? Now see, what we'll do, we'll log in as another user. So see, I'm log out. Okay, now we'll log in by another user. Okay, we'll log in. Now see, remind me later. Okay, now see, again we have this teachers tab, right? And see, in last video we have seen how to make these tabs visible for any particular user. So if you have not watched that video, so you can go through it. So in that video I have told how to make these tabs visible for some another user apart from system administrator. Okay, so see, for this user these tabs are visible. Now I am clicking on teachers. Okay, now we'll click on new. Okay, so here you can see these are the fields available, and there is no experience field, right? There is no experience field. This experience field was there for the system administrator. It was visible for the system administrator, but for this test one user it is not visible, right? So we have achieved our problem statement, right? We have done this. We have created new field. It is available for the system admins but not for the other users, right? And how we have done it? By using field level security. Now see, second problem statement is just similar to first one. So what we have to do here, we have to create new field, right? Experience number. It should be editable only for system admins and read only for users with a custom sales profile, right? So we had two options, right? Visible and read only. So while creating that experience field, we have seen these two options, visible and read only. So by using that, we can make read only for users with custom sales profile. For custom sales profile, we have to make it read only. We have to select that checkbox, okay, and we can make it read only. And for system admin, we have to make it editable, so we don't have to select that read only checkbox. Okay, so similarly we can find solution for the second problem statement. So in this way we can put restrictions over the fields by using field level security. So I have explained this in very simple language. I hope you got it. So friends, I hope you like this video. If yes, then click on like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to press bell icon so that you will get notification of my next video. So stay connected. Thank you.